Okay, so we've got a 2021 Mazda CX-5 Maxx edition. It's a 5-door automatic SUV in a nice grey metallic. Has the reverse camera, parking sensors, tinted windows, got the grey alloy wheels. Exterior presents in excellent condition. It's only done 40,000 kilometres. Just a beautiful car all the way around. Good set of tyres. Take a look at the interior as well. Get out of this wind. So we've got the radar cruise, distance cruise, Bluetooth connectivity, dual airbags front and side, kilometres down the bottom there, 41,500. Satellite navigation, reverse camera, it's a big colour screen, dual zone climate air, automatic transmission, and you've got a little command centre in the middle, electric handbrake. Interior seat trim, all in excellent condition, no rips or tears, side airbags as I said, front passenger just as good, you've got 2 keys and logbooks. Check out the photos for the service history, and there is your back seat. All inquiries are welcome, please give us a call.